If you want to hide files on Motorola Edge 70 Fusion, what you can do is you can, for example, use the File Apps by Google. So in the app drawer, if you open the Google folder, over here we have the Files app. This is the file manager that we use on this phone. And then in here we have the save folder. So you can tap on the save folder. You can set up the password, either PIN or pattern. Then of course we're gonna choose the password that you want to use, tap on next, and then enter the same password again in order to confirm. There we go. Of course we need to remember our pattern to of course make sure that we have access to our save folder. And besides that, once the save folder is created, then you can go through your categories and you can choose whatever you want to hide. So let's say I'm gonna go to downloads. In here I have like this file in here. If I want to hide it, I can just tap on these three dots on the right side, and we should be able to move this file. If there is no option to move it, you can just press and hold your finger instead on that app to select it like that. You use these three dots in the upper right corner, and then here we have move to save folder. So we can just select it, enter your password to the save folder, and there we go. Selected file has been transferred to the save folder. And you can do that with pretty much anything, whether it is an image or video, document, audio file, installation file, anything. You can just simply move to the save folder just like that. And of course, if I now go to the save folder, in order to access it, I need to enter the password, and here I have everything. You can of course take out all of these files out of the secure folder and put them back to their place, and that is not a problem as well. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.